Now I'll talk about a critical discourse analysis of rhetorical devices used in the advertisements of beauty products, which are a popular form of advertisement across the world. Beauty products are sold on regular basis, on daily basis, and they have a large amount of revenue involved in their sale and purchase. So this study was conducted by Shaw and Seher, and it was published in 2019. The study has two major focuses. On one side, it focused on the rhetorical devices and how they were employed in the advertisements of beauty products. And on the other side, it also looked into why a kind of gender stereotypical representation is important to sell beauty products. Why the representation of gender is necessary to sell the products. For example, in most of the beauty product advertisements across the world, you would probably find that it's the women who are presented at the front. It has become almost a kind of formula that in order to sell a beauty product, you need to have a very popular celebrity, and among celebrities, especially the women, should be there in that beauty product. So that the concept of beauty and its projection has become to a large extent is a gender specific concept. The research was qualitative in nature, and the data was collected from beauty product advertisements, which were from print media published in two popular magazines of English language magazines of the country, Pakistan. And the data was analyzed through rhetorical structure theory, which was proposed by Mann and Thompson in 1988. The finding reveals that as far as rhetorical strategies are concerned, hyperbole, that means using exaggerated expressions in talks or in script, was the most used and powerful rhetorical strategy in these advertisements. In addition, alliteration, repeating things or sounds on the same pattern, and analogy were other popular strategies used in these advertisements. And then it was also observed that the representation of gender in beauty products is more persuasive and tactful. This is what is believed by the makers of these advertisements, and the researchers figured it out from their analysis. The advertiser used the representation of celebrities in order to motivate the viewers and to sell their products. This was another observation which came to us through the study. The study also concluded that frequently used relations also found frequently used relations in these advertisements. For example, the relations related to subject matter, which is used in these advertisements. The relations of elaboration and explanation was very popular, and because you will find in such advertisement elaboration and explanation coming together most of the time. And then as far as the presentational factors are concerned, the relation between motivation and evidence are very important. So these advertisements would motivate the audience to buy those products, and when they want them to buy these products, they would provide some kind of evidence of the effectiveness of these products also. For example, in popular Pakistani beauty products advertisement, you will find that the company would be claiming that if you use this product, your skin will become white in a couple of weeks. And this is how various kinds of claims are made to motivate the audience to buy that product. To sum up, we can say that these products or these advertisements of these products can be an interesting subject for analysis through critical discourse analysis, because they also, while convincing the audience or people to buy their products, they also manipulate the information which is involved there. Sometimes they fabricate evidence and make such claims which are not real in the actual life. So in order to figure this out, and in order to dig this out for the ordinary people, and in order to give people a better understanding of the working of these advertisements, this seems very important that the researchers in future should work on and analyze such advertisements in more and serious details.